Hello everyone, that's me Nicholas, and today we have amazing surprise. It's, it's I think it's the main Black Sabbath video, right? And of course we have, as you understand, Anno Domini, both boxed, and we have the vinyl of this one. Very proud, and also the box here. We have in the vinyl also in the box we have cross purposes. We have the headless cross, we have TYR, and also we have Forbidden. We have four albums with Tony Martin and Anna Domini. We have from 89 till 95. So we can open in front of you right now. We have unboxing. Let's unboxing first the vinyl. I think it's the best one right now. This one. Let's open it. Front of you. All right. And we have this pink label. All right. So the first one that I opened was here, and have the four albums with Tony Martin here. And this is the box set. Let's open it. Oh. And let's see. All right. So first we have this book right here. Have have many pictures and good stuff, really. Photos, old photos also from the World Tour '94, for example. From the albums, of course, the lyrics from some magazines, covers. Nice stuff. Actually, is this I can show you right here. You open it. You have here the members of the band. This here. Amazing, right? It's very good quality, to be honest. Hellas Cross Tour book 89. That's very good. Anna Domini 89 to 95. Good. And they have a lot of stuff actually. For each album they have the artwork and more. Of course the band here. Tony here. So we have this book that is very good, have many information. That's good. This is the one. Let's take the second thing. Second book. Yeah, also we have amazing pictures from the concerts. For example, we have like here this one. No, it's brand new. It's really nice. I have more photos from the concerts and from the tour, of course. Here and more. Let's see here. Around 15 pages. 15. That's good. This is the second book. All right. And of course we have the big poster, right, from Hellas Cross. That's the stuff, right? Amazing. Good quality also. here. And after we have vinyls. Headless Cross here, side one, The Gates of Hell, Headless Cross. You know, amazing songs really. And this is the vinyl inside. It's black, as you see. And here, this one. All right, let's go to the second one. TYR, or Thor for Someone. Black Sabbath. Jeff Nichols keyboards here. Cozy Powell drums, and Tony Martin of course vocals, and Neil Murray bass. You know, the same cover here again, as you see. And of course, this one. The same black. And Forbidden. We don't have something inside, just the vinyl with the cover, black cover here, and that's it. The quality, it's okay. It's not the perfect one, let's say, but it's really okay. It's good. So we have the 4 vinyls. We have 2 books and the poster with Headless Cross. Right. So this is the, let's say, the stuff that we have inside the box. Let's put in this inside. So this is the vinyl box. And let's go to the CD. And CD is this one. Right? And we can open it. Actually, we have the same thing, but in CD box. Anno Domini 89 till 95. So let's open it. Let's see. I'm very, very curious. I will keep that one, of course. I will keep all of them. So we have the same thing behind. Was here. Okay, we open it. Let's see. Wow. Is this one here? And you can, let's say, push it like that. And you have the first thing, the on, you know, outside of the box we have this book right here. Wow. The same thing. Yeah, the same thing, but you know, smaller. Okay. You know, as I showed you before. Here. Okay. And also the poster of Headless Cross. Let's see. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if the same size. No, it's a little smaller, but it's really good also. Yeah. Headless Cross. And the CDs right now, they are in paper case. It's this one. It's not in the plastic or something. You take it outside and they have this one. You see? You take it out from here. I'm not pleased, satisfied, let's say 100%, but it's okay. I will tell you after the price for a vinyl box and also for the CD box. The same also here. We have this one. The same here. And the forbidden. Paper case, all of them. 4 of them. And this is the box, right? So, price for the CD box, first of all, I bought it in Athens, Greece. Was 80 euro. 80. The price, let's say it's more or less okay. It's not expensive, it's not cheap, it's okay. For the vinyl box, I have 2 boxes. The one box I bought it from Reno, as I remember, like 100 euro, and I paid 34 euro plus for customs, so was like 134, 135, something like that. And I bought it also from another vinyl shop in Athens, 150, the same thing. Both vinyl box was US, released in US. This is Germany. So that's it. We have actually both box set, CD box, Black Sabbath, Anno Domini, and of course vinyl box. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching the video. I wish you the best. Bye.